Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos. Well, I made this video in response to the request of some of my YouTube channel subscriber. And here is the topic that we are going to make today. And by the way, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly click the like and subscribe button for more video update in the coming days. Let's get started now. Okay, let's begin with our project. Click Callouts button. Now I will resize the layer to my preferred length. I will extend this a little bit longer, also here in my timeline, so it will last a few seconds before it gets off on the screen. Right click on it, click copy to make a duplicate. Now let me zoom this out so I can have a room to adjust my animation later on. Now I will add another layer, but this time it will be square. And now I have to put this in top of the two layers so I could see much better where portion of the light blue layer to place this on. And now I will make another duplicate. Now I will change the position of one of the square to change the visual formation of my design by dragging the small green dot at the center of the elements. Whatever shape you are forming, it's always at the center. Now I will change the color of my two square in order to give color variation of my design. As you can see, my project is a little bit farther from the beginning of my timeline. Never mind for it, it's just my style. I will move this to the beginning of my timeline later on. Now I will insert another circle design at the center of the two square. And now I will bring my project to the beginning of my timeline, because this time I will add animation to all the layers. Now I will rearrange all the layers of my project to determine which layer to come in first to the screen. Just follow my lead, ha.
Feel the beat. Feel the music of Jensen Mix Club. DJ. This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Alright, now I will animate first the two square layers. Click Visual Properties and click Add Animation button at the top. And now I will click the square layer at my timeline one at a time, and I will rotate the highlighted square on the screen to apply the animation. Alright, I will extend a little bit forward my toggle animation in order to make the rotation of this square a little bit slower. And now I will animate the orange circle. You can adjust the size of the circle by going into scale, by adjusting the percentage scale of the circle. Or you can resize the shape of the circle by dragging the corner lines of the circle at the screen to your preferred size. Alright, let's add transition. Now I will add swipe transition to the first and second track. I'll let second layer comes out of the screen about 5 frames before squares stop rotating. The second track will swipe to the right, and the first track will swipe back to left. Now I will add my text layer, but this time it will be transparent. Click Color Fill and choose No Color. Okay, let's go to Text tab, and I will type in my brand name, Pinoy Ako Vid Edit. And now I will position this text layer to the beginning of the timeline. I will add slide transition to the text layer, so it will pop out to the right as the second layer also swiped out to the right. Okay, I will add now my logo, and I will replace the orange circle. instead of the orange circle will pop in, it will be my logo would come out on the center. And now I will add another layer with a strong color. And I will put this at the bottom to highlight all the layers. And now it's the right time to delete the orange circle. Okay, let's make this as one layer, highlights, and click group. And now I will apply an exit transition. And now I will add my video on the background to test the outcome of my project. That's it. Very good. Okay, that's all for now, guys. If you think it helps you a lot, it gives you a lot of idea about Camtasia video editing, kindly click the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys.